Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's me Favor and this is my concept. So today I'm going to be showing you how to design an amazing YouTube intro that will grab attention. Yes, I will give you a step-by-step guide. Whether you're a new YouTuber or you're just thinking of leveling up your channel, then keep watching this video because this step-by-step guide will really be of help to you. First of all, why do you need a YouTube intro? Yes, you need one because it's more or less like your channel signature. It helps set the tone and help your viewers to remember you. And of course, it needs to be short and engaging. Let's dive into this tutorial as I break the step-by-step guide, show you how to make a very beautiful and engaging YouTube intro. First of all, you need the Canva app, which is a very important app for your YouTube channel, right? So if you click on your Canva app, it takes time and then it loads to the home page. You just need to go to the search button, click on it, and then type YouTube intro, and then you search. Once you search, you can see some designs you've already created, but scroll up, just keep scrolling. You start seeing people's design. This Canva app has made things very easy. You can just recreate what somebody else has created. For example, this welcome here, you can just change that picture to yours and you're good to go. But let me show you this particular design I used for mine. So see this one here. So let's click on this, and very important tip, let me go back. You should always look for an option that does not have this crown symbol here, because those ones are for the pro version of Canva. And of course, for me, I don't pay to use Canva, so I wouldn't be asking you to go pay to just make a YouTube intro. You see this one here has crown, so we're not using it, but this particular one is free. There are free ones, there are ones that you even see the dollar or pound symbol there. Don't go for those ones, okay? So let's choose this one that is free, which is this, and then let's create a design. So you can see this is somebody else's design. You see, it's now asking you to choose your pictures. So let's just select random picture, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. You see, I'm just selecting my pictures, right? And then you say done. Look at that. It has already brought in my pictures. Let's say you want to change a particular picture. If you click on that picture, click on this replace down here. It will take you straight to your gallery. You choose whichever picture you want to put there and it goes there, right? Replace. Let's change it to this one. You see? So you just play around it. If you want to increase the size, you can make it big, or you make it small by just touching the edge. You can see that. And then you've put your picture there. Now what's next? Click on this name and clear it. Clear, cancel, right? Just write your name there. Favors concept, and you can change the font to your preferred font. So let's say you don't like this design or this handwriting, you can click here and then see there are different designs there, so you choose the particular one you want. So let's say let's go for, I don't know, I actually like that one, but let's say we're changing it to comic. You see, it's now looking big, right? So if you click on it, you can reduce the size. Let me not make it too small. So you're playing around it. Let's reduce the font size, favors concept. You can see that down here, there are always options for you. So we can now adjust it to make sure it's clear. Reduce the size. Oh, I want it on one line. Okay, this is what I will do. Let's move the images to this side. Here you go. And create more space. So I'm moving the images now to the edge, so that will create more space. You can see my favorite concept is clear now. So down here, that's the font size. You can see it. If you want it to be bigger, click on it. Just increase it a little bit. You see that? And then this place where they wrote fashion, beauty, life, you click on it to change it. So if your channel is about food, you can write food or kitchen or lifestyle. So let's say mine now is about tutorials and lifestyle. Okay, so you see it's looking bigger than what was already there, right? So what we'll do is let's reduce the size, font size, reduce. Can you see that? So it's just about you playing around with it. So let's say this is my YouTube intro. Now it's not playing, right? So if you click on this play button, you see this is how it will come in. Ta-da! You see? And it has page 2, which is subscribe. If you want that, you can leave it. If not, you can delete it. Okay, so we are done with this design. All you need to do is already a video. It will play when you download it. Click on this download button up here. You click on it and then download. That is it. It's downloading and it will save. And you see it's there playing. Ta-da! Isn't it beautiful? So it's as easy as that. As easy as ABC. And that brings us to the end of this video. Can you see how easy it was? If you've got any question, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you've not. I'll see you again in my next one, okay? Bye.